Welcome to this week's edition of Neuroscience Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, Apertura Gene Therapy has announced a partnership focused on CNS treatments, utilizing a novel capsid technology. Their proprietary TfR1 CapX is designed to cross the blood-brain barrier, aiming to target central nervous system disorders. Through partnerships with Neuroscience and Imugen Therapeutics, Apertura is working to treat GABA-related disorders and neurodegenerative diseases. In other news, Boston University has developed an AI tool aimed at detecting early signs of Alzheimer's disease. This tool, trained on over 12,000 datasets, is able to predict Alzheimer's with 80% accuracy, offering a cost-effective alternative to traditional PET scans. Its primary goal is to assist in the enrollment of patients for clinical trials of new Alzheimer's therapies. ProMIS Neurosciences has made significant strides in the development of therapies for Alzheimer's disease. The company's PMN 310 has been granted FDA Fast Track designation. Additionally, the ongoing Phase 1b Precise AD trial of PMN 310 has reported no adverse events to date. To accelerate development, ProMIS raised $21.6 million and continues to advance its research into neurodegenerative diseases. T-NeuroDx has secured a $500,000 NIH grant to expand its research on blood biomarkers for Alzheimer's disease. The company is investigating dysfunctional T cells as potential biomarkers and is collaborating with the University of Southern California and the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, to validate a blood test for early Alzheimer's detection. OM1 has expanded its neurology network, adding 500,000 new patients, bringing the total number of neurology patients in the network to over 3 million. This expansion allows OM1 to enhance its real-world evidence database, supporting insights into Alzheimer's disease, multiple sclerosis, Parkinson's disease, and amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. PharmaTher has received FDA approval for Ketarx, a ketamine-based therapy designed for pain management. Ketarx is now approved for surgical pain management and offers a new potential for use in neurological and mental health disorders, positioning PharmaTher as a leader in ketamine-based treatments. Stoke Therapeutics and Biogen have begun a Phase 3 clinical trial for zorevunersen in Dravet syndrome. The Emperor study has dosed its first patient, investigating the potential of zorevunersen as a disease-modifying treatment that addresses not only seizures, but also cognitive and behavioral symptoms associated with Dravet syndrome. Quantum Biopharma is preparing for its Phase 2 trial for multiple sclerosis with LucidMS, an oral formulation designed to restore mobility in MS patients. The company has entered into an agreement with a contract development and manufacturing organization to produce LucidMS for the upcoming clinical trial. AbbVie has committed to a $195 million investment to expand its U.S. manufacturing capabilities in North Chicago. This investment is part of AbbVie's broader $10 billion U.S. investment plan aimed at advancing future medical breakthroughs and supporting innovation in drug production. Neuroscience Therapeutics has initiated manufacturing of the first batch of NEWS-001 tablets, marking a significant step toward its new drug application submission. NEWS-001 is being developed for the treatment of neurodegenerative diseases, with stability studies and regulatory submission as key milestones. Gene has received clearance to begin global trials for its ALS gene therapy, SNUG-01, in both China and the U.S. The therapy, which targets ALS through a new TRIM72 protein delivery mechanism, will enter Phase 1/2 trials across major academic centers in both countries. Stay ahead in neuroscience research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting. See you next time.